guys, for today's video we gonna make outfit. So my outfit is Hannah be my friend. So search is wait, search Swaggy, and then wait first, yeah, then search red tone bunny. And this, no guys, search this, you see this, then search this, this one, if you see, yeah, and then this, yeah, search this, and you see this, no, this, no, search this, search this, and then click this, search this, so this, if you see this, click, and then now search. This is the final outfit. If you want that, comment at section. For more guys, please comment and like.